Hey, it's Mr. Redstone, and in this video we're going to be solving multi-step equations. And for all of these, I'm going to use a little acronym DCI. It stands for distribute, collect like terms, and then use inverse operations. Okay, so we see that we've got some brackets. We're going to have to take care of that first using our distributive property. I've got two groups of 3x plus 1. That would be 6x plus 2. In that next case, don't forget to distribute negative 5, not just 5. So it'll be negative 5 plus 10x, and that's equal to 15x plus 10. Next thing I want to do is combine my like terms. So on the left-hand side, I've got 6x's and 10 more x's for a grand total of 16x. Then I have 2 subtract 5 for a minus 3. Now, I can't combine across that equal sign. I just combine on the left, combine on the right, and now I have to use my inverse operations. What I'm going to do now, to get rid of that addition of 15x, I'm going to subtract 15x, an inverse operation. And if I do it on one side, I've got to do it to the other as well. That leaves me with x minus 3 is equal to 10. The inverse operation of subtracting 3 is to add 3. X is equal to 13. Put a box around it, you are done. Next question. It looks a little bit more difficult, only because I've got parentheses on both sides. But if I hold true to DCI, it's going to be fine. So I'm going to distribute that negative 4 groups of x plus 6 to start. That'll give me negative 4x subtract 24. Then minus x plus 1. You could think of that as negative 1 times x plus 1. That way you're less likely to screw up your signs. So negative 1 times x is negative x. Negative 1 times 1 is minus 1. 1/2 of 6x plus 2 is 3x plus 1. So I've distributed. Now I'm going to collect my like terms. I see a negative 4x and a minus x. That's a grand total of negative 5x. Negative 24 subtract 1 is negative 25. And there's nothing I can do on the right because those are unlike terms. So now I'm going to use inverse operations. I could get rid of the negative 5x, but I'm going to get rid of the 3x in this case. And I do that by subtracting 3x from each side to maintain balance. Negative 8x minus 25 equals 1. Inverse operation of subtraction of 25 is to add 25 to both sides. So I've got negative 8x is equal to 26. The inverse operation of multiplication is division. So I'm going to divide both sides now by negative 8. And that leaves me with x is equal to negative 26/8. That is a fraction that can be simplified. Dividing the numerator and denominator by 2, I'll get negative 13/4. Or 4 goes into 13 3 times with 1/4. So final answer, negative 3 1/4. That's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.